Traveling with a newborn, tips and tricks. Welcome back to my Mum's Choice, where we make parenting easier for you. Today, we have an exciting topic that every new parent needs to know about traveling with a newborn, tips and tricks. If you're prepared to start some unforgettable adventures with your little one, just keep watching. Essential packing. Before you hit the road, packing efficiently is key. Start with a checklist to ensure you have all the essentials. Remember to pack extra clothes for both you and your baby. Diapers, wipes, and feeding supplies should be easily accessible. And don't forget a travel crib for those naps on the go. Timing your travels. Choosing the right time to travel can make a world of difference. Consider your baby's nap schedule and try to plan your trips during their sleepiest hours. This can help keep your baby calm and content during the journey. Comfort on the go. Ensuring your baby's comfort is essential for a smooth journey. Invest in a comfortable baby carrier for hands-free movement, and always ensure your baby's car seat is properly installed and adjusted for safety. Feeding and diaper changes. Feeding and diaper changes are inevitable during travel. Be prepared to feed your baby on the go, whether it's breastfeeding or using a bottle. Carry a portable changing pad and supplies for quick and hygienic diaper changes. Stay calm and be flexible. Last but not least, stay calm and be flexible. Traveling with a newborn can be unpredictable, so go with the flow. Keep a positive attitude, and remember, this is a new adventure for both you and your baby. And there you have it, our top tips and tricks for traveling with a newborn. We hope this video has given you the confidence to explore the world with your little one by your side. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my Mum's Choice for more valuable parenting advice.